Morning. I'm Dhanush Rajkumar and I am from final year of CSE, Geethanjali College of Engineering and Technology. So actually this is my major project called GCET Stores, which is an inventory management project for our college. So actually this is the login page of that particular project where we have been given different roles such as security, PA, faculty, HOD, principal, secretary and admin. So starting off with the PA role, we'll start with the creds. So actually this page is used to request any materials which are available within the store. So actually there are quite various stock that is available within the store. So this search bar can be used so as to search like a particular item, as there will be some hundreds of items available within the store. Or if you don't know the name of particular item but you know the category, then you can filter out that particular category down here. So you can see that the items are getting filtered. And here you can track orders, like if you placed any orders like regarding an indent, like which has to be purchased, then you can check the status, what is the status of it. As this is a test case, I use the name test case. And once you click receive, then the status of the delivery will change to delivered in the admin page. So we will look into it when we move to the admin page. So now coming to faculty. So this role can be used if you need to purchase any item that isn't available within the store, and like if it's not a stock item, like consider a fan or a blackboard or anything that isn't maintained as stock in the store. So such items can be ordered from here. You need to select your department and the item description such as mouse and the quantity 100 and the unit price 150 and the date required such as 28/02/2025 and the remark for lab 5. And once you submit, the purchase indent gets submitted successfully. And that's the only feature that the faculty has. Now coming to HOD role, like this is hierarchical order while coming to accepting an indent. So if an indent needs to be purchased, then HOD needs to accept that particular indent first, followed by principal, followed by secretary, sir. So we can see that this is the latest item. Mouse 100 in quantity, 150 per item, the total thing and the delivery date and the remarks, right? So now we can see that the status is pending HOD approval and the delivery status is not approved yet. So once I select this and approve selected, we'll get HOD approved on this particular date. Now we can move to principal's approval page. So here we can see that this is the latest item which we placed an indent on. So HOD approved by HOD. And now we can select that particular order and click approve selected. So now we can see that we get HOD approved and principal approved. Now moving to secretary page. We can see that this is the only order that has been approved by both HOD and principal. If an order is approved only by HOD, then that particular order won't be seen here. So we can select and we can click approved. So yeah, we can see that it is the status changes to fully approved and it's approved by 3 of them. Now moving on to the admin page. So actually this is the home page of admin from where he can add any consumable items that are required or that have entered the college. Consider as A4 sheet bundle, and even this works as a search feature. As you can see, when I click A4, we get all of them down here. So I will click A4 paper bundle and the category is stationery and the quantity is okay, like 5 bundles. The unit price changes from day to day. So let's consider that today's price is 110 per bundle and standard A4 size bundle, right? So I'll submit. We can see items processed successfully. So that's the use of this page, and even view inventory. Even this thing works in a similar way, but here you can see the available stock. Like if a stock falls below the required quantity, then the border changes to red and we'll be getting an alert. So even from here you can add some stock. So let me take it as 12 pence and the cost of each pen goes for 25 and I'll click update. Quantity updated successfully. Now we can see that the border went to green. That means the stock available is above the limit of what we really require. And even here we have a search option. We can go for A4 bundle. You can see A4 papers bundle. So that's how this page work. And apart from that, view indents. So actually this is the page where we get to see the indents that are fully approved. So now we can see that this has been approved, but we don't have any delivery status. Like this thing can be used if there is any remark to be added. Like if a product hasn't been ordered yet, or if there is any delay within the product, then it can be done using add remark. The product is delayed. So this can be seen in either HOD page or principal page or in secretary search page. So once when it is set to out for delivery, again the status cannot be changed. And I'll just display this for you when it changes to delivered. So actually apart from that we can see all the MIRs. Like this is designed to know like what items have been purchased, like the stock items. You see that PACSC has purchased two bundles of A4 papers when they were priced 74 rupees, and even we can see the date and time of the purchase. So apart from that, we can even search down here PA.CSC or by the name of that particular item. You see A4 paper bundle, and even there's a date filter, and even you can export it into CSV so as to make report handling easy. And apart from that, again, we can go back to consumables and we can view the history. So actually, this is the history of what items have been added into the inventory. So we can see that recently I have added green gel pen and A4 bundle. So this stock has entered into the store. So that's how this thing works. And when you just filter it by particular department, you can get to see the non-consumable items that have been placed, like the indents what which have been placed. And even from down here, you can just export it into a CSV file so as to keep reporting easy. And even you can see that there's a type filter like consumable and non-consumable. So on consumables, you have spent 1.55 lakh, and on non-consumable, it's like around 1 crore 76 lakhs. That's how this thing works. And apart from that, gate history is a new option, which is it's a new feature which is still being developed. So now I will see regarding this delivery status. So I'll just log out. Again, log in as pa.csc, csc 2025. So now we can see that I have. So now we can see that I have a particular order down here, and we can see delivery marks, the product is delayed. So once I click received, it just disappears from here. I'll go here again, admin, and here we can see the product is delayed, received by computer science engineering on 2025, 10:05 p.m. So that's my project. Thank you everyone for watching this.